Here is how the Grape ID authentication works, and it currently works with Grape ID, so when you download the app, you're more than welcome to just log into your personal Grape ID app on the web browser. So here's the Grape ID app. To take the poll, it's easy. You just click on the poll, and then you answer a series of questions. Very simple, 5 questions. Now, if you want to see the results, you can just swipe right and see the menu. And we've got a quick preview of the results right here. Or you click on National Polls and you pick whichever poll you want. You can see all the answers of who people in real life live, who people are voting for. And what's more awesome is if you don't want to do it on your phone, all you do is simply click on the scan button right here. And then you go to the website and you click on Login in the upper right hand of the website. A QR code will pop up right there in the middle, and then you scan it with your phone just like that, and then voila, you log in online and you can see the results. Logging in via Grape ID is easier and safer, and we automatically onboard and connect your Grape ID to all the websites automatically. And if you have any questions on this, then feel free to reach out to us on social media at Grape ID or on my personal social media, Rob Anderson Show. And that's it.